Hello grade 4, I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Here is today's lesson. So we're going to be touching on prepositions again, doing some examples together, and I'm going to go through the homework that was given to you guys on Tuesday. Great, so prepositions. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows a connection between other words in a sentence. You also get prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. But basically, guys, prepositions are used to convey location or time or to provide other detail. So we're going to look at those three categories now. Let's look at an example. My hero traveled to the kingdom. Now, the word in red, to, is the preposition. She stayed there for 3 days. And lastly, she learned many lessons about trust. Now guys, all those underlined words are nouns. So a prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. So you see the prepositional phrase in the first sentence starts with to the lost kingdom, for 3 days, about trust. So you combine all those and that is the prepositional phrase. So the first one is my hero traveled to the lost kingdom. Is that conveying location, time, or providing other detail? If you guys said convey location, that is correct. They're talking about to the lost kingdom. She stayed there for 3 days. If you guessed convey time, that is correct. And the last one, she learned many lessons about trust. And this is providing detail about trust. Great guys, let's look at some more examples. Find the prepositions in the underlined prepositional phrases. Tell whether each prepositional phrase conveys location or time or provides other detail. So try answer it before I give the answer. A fierce lion lived in Nemea. That conveys location. Hercules arrived before sundown. Conveys time. And the last one is Hercules hit the Hydra with a club. This is providing details. Great guys, so I hope you guys understand prepositions and prepositional phrases. In your writing, you can use prepositional phrases to add helpful and interesting information to your sentences. Adding details to your sentences helps the reader visualize what you are describing. The first one says, less descriptive sentence, the dragon watched us carefully. And a more descriptive sentence would be, the dragon with long, sharp teeth watched us carefully. So obviously the more descriptive sentence helps you visualize what the dragon looks like a lot better. Fantastic guys, this is going to be the homework. So if you want to just pause it once all the answers are there to check your own homework. Pause the video, I mean. But vocabulary and context, acquire. There it is there. The next word is unfortunate. Coerce, boasted, beamed, glared, ceased, declared, devised, and finally resourceful. Now the second page was on the anchor text. What genre is the anchor text? Now in the beginning of the video, when I read the anchor text, I told you that it was a myth. Who was Hercules' father? Zeus. Why did Hera not like Hercules? Hero was jealous of Zeus's affection. Who did Zeus order Hercules to serve? King Eurystheus. What happened when Hercules chopped a head of the Hydra off? For every one head he destroyed, two more grew back. And finally, what punishment had the gods given Atlas? Spend his life holding the weight of the world on his shoulders. Fantastic, guys. That wraps up today's video. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I have attached a small worksheet for you to complete. But other than that, talk to you guys on Sunday.